What's up, guys? My name is Elijah, and today I'm going to show you my toy gun collection. So first start of the start, it is a Glock. Some of the guns I don't know their name. It works. At least the other one works. I thought this was the other one, and the clip comes out. It's like it's plastic, but a different type of plastic. This doesn't clock back for some reason because there's like the screws all right there, so it doesn't like make it clock back. And I'm gonna get my other guns, so please give me one more second. Alright, second is this little machine gun. Except for it was like a really big machine gun, and then it broke. So then I was seeing if the sound worked. It's really nice in my hand, just like this one. And the clip comes out on this one, this little metal piece. You push that, the clip comes out, and you can push it back in. On to the next gun. Alright, guys, I got the rest of my guns right here. Alright, second off is like an Uzi. This really nice clip comes out. It's probably holds like 30 or 11 bullets. And it says push to eject, like I just said. Ejects. Here's the other Glock. Got a mask too. The pump shotgun. This part, there was like an orange part here, and here. And it broke off because I dropped it. And it used to make like a shotgun sound. And there used to be like a part here where you can like go like this. But I took that off because it looks cooler to me. So, the pump shotty. I forgot what this gun was called, but I like it. This one's my favorite, really, of the machine guns. The mag comes out. If you look closely right here, push that button, and the mag, plastic. I just lost the mag. How do you lose a mag, right? I lost it. Oh, no, here it is. Oh, man. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway. Back in. Here's a different color Desert Eagle. It doesn't like, no, this isn't Desert Eagle. This is I think like a 9.5 or something like that. You pull it back. It sounds really cool, like if you listen. Here's I forgot the name to it too. I forgot a lot of these names, but it looks cool. The back comes out. You just gotta push. If you look really close, that button right here. Press the button. This comes out. I was gonna say I could take the comment down below if I should probably take this mag and replace it with this, and then I can like kind of do something like this. Tell me if this looks cool. Comment down below. Please like and subscribe, because like usually my videos don't get likes or subscribers. So yeah. Oh dear, hold on guys. Okay, I got it out. Put this mag back in. So yeah, I got a couple more guns in my closet. Let me get them. Alright guys, I got the my gun. Here's a cap gun. This part I broke off because I never really used the cap. Here's a revolver. You can I don't kind of like the sound. It I kind of don't like the sound. It's very metal. Like, listen. It's very metal. Here we have a model BK27. It doesn't work. That's literally how I bought it. No. This used to work. But I didn't like the really sound of it. And this part really doesn't push down. It's broken. And when I bought it, this wasn't even in there. So I'm thinking about taking the mag off this one, leaving it like this, but I might not do it. And putting this, but yeah, it won't even fit. But that's the 27 one. And like I said, oh yeah, here's it works, but here, I'm gonna try to find the piece that goes to this little thing. Give me 1 second, guys and girls. Alright guys, I found the piece that, I found the piece that went to this. Very plastic. This guy doesn't work anymore. This was also a big giant, like the machine gun went like this. This part obviously was broken off because I just put tape on it. I put tape on it. So it still looks cool to me. And here's the Mini M5, I think. And it has that really annoying sound. I also broke apart on this to make it a little bit real. And I swear, I kid you guys not, I had another gun, but I guess I didn't. So comment, like, and subscribe if you guys would like, if I could show you my Avengers action figures. Comment and like, or any of my action figures that has something to do with Marvel, Avengers, stuff like that. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.